Hi, MondPie Diary here, where every page is another short story. Now, this one's about a slow ride through Hong Kong. They call it Ding Ding, Hong Kong's iconic tram. More than 100 years old na siyang umaandar dito sa gitna ng city. Every turn, every bell feels like you're seeing the old soul of Hong Kong. And habang tumatakbo siya, parang paalala lang, sometimes slowing down is part of the journey. Kaya enjoy mo na lang yung ride.
Embrace, becoming wings through hidden grace. Kintsugi soul, scars refined, cracks aligned with love divine. Not erased but redesigned. Grace has made this heart alive. In my brokenness, His love was shown. By His blood, I'm saved, I'm home. Every fracture tells His glory. He makes me whole.
This is MondPie Diary. Every page, another short story. Follow us for the next one.